Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is a super exciting day because we're getting ready for our first market vendor event. We've been working hard behind the scenes and I thought it would be fun to bring you along as we prepare everything. Me and my husband started making sure all of the products were ready before the event, so we have to make everything organized and put it in a bin. And as much as possible, we tried to make more stocks so that we can put that in our displays, and our store or our booth will not be, it looked like empty. Each item was carefully checked, packed, and labeled to make sure everything looks perfect for the market day. We make sure everything is alright because we believe first impression matter. Next, we gathered all of the display materials, all we need, and we packed everything from chairs to tables, tablecloths, display racks, baskets, crates for our displays, pricing signs, of course, for the customers, business cards so that they can contact us, and of course, the payment system. We have cash. We also have Venmo and PayPal. At the same time, we have this card reader from Shopify. So all of the payment methods is available for our customers. Also, another tip, if you're trying to do a market vendor event, make sure you have a checklist so you will not have anything that you're going to miss, and you make sure everything is packed and you're ready to go. And here's the thing, we are so stressed out because every day we check the weather. And badly, or sad to say, we're unfortunate that this weather sucks because Friday is going to rain and the event is Saturday. So it's going to rain in our event, and this is an outdoor event. So we try to make sure that we'll have an open mind and stay positive, since this is our first time. And we'll see. We'll just make sure that we give a smile, and what happened will happen, and that's charged to experience. We are feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness, but mostly we're grateful because we're able to participate in this event, and we knew that it's going to be a lot of work and sleepless night because we need to work hard to be able to have a lot of products, and spending time with our kids. And my husband is working full time, and while me, I'm a stay-at-home mom with two toddlers. And aside from making handmade products, I'm also taking care of our house, the household chores and stuff. So, but at the same time, seeing it all come together is the best feeling. And thank you everyone for being part of this journey because you're watching this video. Look at that. It's so... Hi.
Alright, first day.
This is it.
Yeah.
We're all ready. It's raining.
Alright, let's do this. We're gonna eat.
It's the first market show. It's raining. Good luck to us. Bye-bye.
It is what it is.
This is a blessing. God pouring blessings.
That's right.
Yeah. It's raining. It's raining. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Excited? It's raining. Hi, this is Maria and Kevin, and we are the owner of Red Swing Custom Tradition. This is our first event. It's raining, but we'll see. We still hope that this is a successful event, and I hope people still come and wake up early.
Bring your raincoat.
If you watch some of our videos, one video I posted is about how my husband made this crunchy organizer. And for me, it's perfect because it's not too big and it's not too small. And he painted it white so that my scrunchies will pop like all of the colors and all of the designs and prints. So if ever you're planning to have a display or you're making scrunchies, so you better check that out so that you know how we made it. And here is our display for our first market or spring market event. I hope that you like it and you get some inspiration with our small business. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more small business adventure and some tips. And see you soon.